feature that is becoming more common with the Hikvision products is audio. In this video, we're going to show you how to make sure the audio is enabled on your Hikvision system. For this, we're going to want to go into the camera section, down to video parameters, mainstream continuous, mainstream event. We're going to make sure those are both set to video and audio. We will apply that. We will then go to the substream, ensure video and audio is also set there. Finally, we're going to want to make sure that your audio is also being recorded. For this, we will go into storage, we'll go to advanced, make sure record audio is ticked, OK, and apply. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.